Have you ever wondered if aloe vera leaves can be packed and shipped safely over long distances and still arrive in good condition? Welcome to the channel. One of the best things about the aloe vera leaf is its thick rind or skin. Unlike most plants, aloe vera leaves can be packed and shipped for weeks and still remain fresh with very little effort. Here's what I do when shipping aloe vera to other people. First, I make sure the cut part has stopped dripping and is completely dry. The cut end of the aloe vera leaf dries quickly. It usually takes only about 2 hours. Next, I wrap each leaf individually in old newspaper. This helps prevent the spikes from piercing other leaves, while also giving them a cushion and a bit of space. Aloe vera leaves naturally last for weeks after harvest, so I don't worry about them rotting during transit. The farthest I've shipped aloe vera leaves was an 8-day journey, and they still arrived in great condition. So if you'd like to share aloe vera with friends, shipping the leaves is definitely possible. Because of their long shape, I usually modify or custom make a box to fit them properly. As long as the courier handles the package with care, the leaves will be fine. Finally, I wrap the box in plastic to keep it from getting wet, and then place a fragile sticker on it. I hope you found this video helpful. This is Danny. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. God bless you.